Let's make some flaming hot catfish. Now, the first thing you know you're gonna need is some flaming hot Cheetos. Let's get those all crushed up like this right here. Get them all nice and crushed up. I mean, until it's looking just like a seasoning. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Now, while all that is heating up, we're gonna go ahead and get our baking tray all oiled up with some olive oil. You can use any oil you want, but I'm gonna use olive oil. Go ahead and get your Cheetos seasoning dumped in a bag or whatever you got so you can toss your fish around up in there. All right, now do not pat your fish dry before putting it in this seasoning because we want everything dry, seasoned to stick to this fish. And yep, it's just that simple, folks. Go ahead and place that in there and shake it up until you feel like it's good and covered. As simple as that. And once your fish is nice and covered, you're gonna let that sit for about 5 minutes. Then it's time to put on our baking sheet. It's downhill from here, folks. All right, now it's in the oven we go. Like I said, we will be baking this at 350. We're gonna let this cook for about 30 minutes to 45 minutes, depending on your size of fish.
Okay.
We are back, and folks, this looks and smells so amazing. But before we mess with it anything, we're gonna let it cool off a little bit first. Folks, this look and smells so good. And check it, it got that nice crispy texture. And we baked this, we did not fry it. This right here is an all win, you know. You gotta try this flaming catfish when you get a chance, folks. But before you go, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe and share this with your friends if you like what this tastes like. But please give this a try. You will like it, trust me.
Never date a woman who don't respect your wife. No, I didn't mean to say that. I said the wrong shit. That's